Hey everyone, my name is Brittany from Tackle It with Brit here on YouTube, and today I am here with HomeAglow and I'm going to be sharing some after party cleaning motivation. Cleaning up from hosting a party is a lot of work, and this is the easiest way that I have found to get the job done. I always start cleaning in the kitchen first. That is because that is the most cluttered and used area during a party and in your home in general. So I like to get this area cleaned first. I start off by removing any trash, any food that needs to get thrown away or stored into the fridge. Remove any decor items that I have in the kitchen. And then wash any dishes that are left over in the sink. And then wipe down the countertops with your favorite disinfectant spray to get all of those germs away and revealing a nice, clean kitchen. Lastly, the trash and recycle always need to go out after a party as well. Next on my list is to take care of the floors, giving them a nice good vacuum and mop. I do this process in each area of my home, from the dining room to the living room, making sure each area is wiped down, all of the trash is put away, all of the floors are vacuumed and mopped. Another thing I always do after every party is take a disinfecting wipe and wipe down all of the highly touched areas in the home, like doorknobs and light switches. Another area that needs to be disinfected and cleaned is the guest bathroom. Cleaning the bathroom will include wiping down all of these surfaces, cleaning the toilet, and hanging a clean and fresh hand towel. And lastly, you'll want to pop any balloons that you had at your party. We love to have balloons at our parties, and I find that popping them is not only really fun to do, but it is an easier way to throw the balloons away without taking up too much space in your trash can. Want help cleaning up after a party? Home Aglow is here and available year-round to help get your home back in order. Book an affordable cleaner to take care of the mess for you. Need more tips and cleaning motivation? Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you again soon. Bye.